In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Draw tool in PropWire. Today, we're going to look at how to use the Draw tool feature inside your PropWire account to create a more specific search area. This tool is helpful when you want to focus on a very particular part of a market instead of searching by a general city, county, or zip code. The reason this can be useful is because property values and opportunities can change quickly from one area to another. Sometimes two neighborhoods can be close together but have completely different property values. The Draw tool allows you to select a precise area and focus your search on only the properties inside that boundary. The process is simple and can be completed directly from your PropWire dashboard. I've already opened my PropWire account, and this is the home screen. To begin using the Draw tool, first zoom into the area you want to search. Instead of entering a zip code or city, you can move around the map and get closer to the exact location you are interested in. For example, imagine you are looking at an area where a freeway separates two neighborhoods. Even though both sides may be in the same general market, you may only want to target properties on one side because that area matches your goals better. Once you are zoomed into the correct area, go to the top left corner and click on the Draw tool. After activating it, your cursor will change, showing that you can begin creating a custom boundary. Click on the map to set your starting point. After placing the first point, a line will appear. Continue clicking around the area you want to include. Each click creates another point and allows you to shape the boundary around streets, neighborhoods, or other areas you want to target. You can continue moving the line and adding points until you have completely outlined the area you want to search. Once you return to your original starting point and click on it, PropWire will create the selected search area and filter the properties inside that boundary. Now that your custom farming area is created, you can add additional filters based on what you are looking for. For example, you can filter by property type, such as single-family homes, and adjust the estimated property value range to match your criteria. As you add these additional filters, PropWire will continue narrowing down the results until you have a more targeted list of properties. And that's the easiest way I know to use the Draw tool in PropWire. If you know another method, feel free to share it. Hopefully, you found this video useful. If it helped, consider leaving a thumbs up or subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.